Okay, good morning, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday morning, and I just want to share with you guys so that you get to know you can trade every time and anytime. Now, this is a trade that was done. This is a profit from yesterday's trade. It has not yet been removed. Now, let me show you the trade for today, this morning. Okay, I started the remaining, which was $10 from yesterday's trade, and I just want to show you the profit table so that you get to understand. Now you can see the trend. Was there a loss? Yes. Were there losses? Yes. You can see losses. So losing is part of the old deal, but you see I was able to do from 8 a.m. like this is from like 8:17. Yeah, 8:17 at the bottom here, 8:17. You can see it till about 8:49. That's roughly like maybe 20 minutes plus. So under 20 minutes, I was able to make $90 profit. Did I lose? Yes. You can see losses there. Yeah, I lost and I won. But the plan is to always, trade. Record losses, record more wins than losses, so that you end up being in profit. Anybody can do this. I've also processed withdrawal. I think I still have like 50, so I'm still going to process another one. Now I'm using 3 different mediums to make withdrawals. So I've used Bitcoin, I've used Skrill. So now I'm going to try and use like perfect money. Reason so that once they approved all, I'm going to withdraw to all the various outlets. You can see all the other withdrawal. Always starting small. When you start small and you grow big, you are safer. You'll be calmer. But you can see minus. You can see a pending withdrawal. So you can see what I still have left. I still have $52 left. So I'm going to be withdrawing. I'm going to be withdrawing 42. I'll still leave another 10. I'm going to be withdrawing $42 into perfect money. I've withdrawn into Skrill. I've withdrawn now this time around into perfect money. All I need to do is say hi, request payout. Now I have withdrawn 42. Once it's approved, it's going to leave my account. I've withdrawn 42, 52. Now I'm back with 10. So I have $10 left. But all this will reflect after it has all been taken. Hey, happy Sunday. You're welcome to the month of June. God bless you and have a wonderful day.